So today we're taking an exclusive look inside a unique restaurant located here inside California's Riverside Lab. This restaurant has their food inspired by anime characters and flavors are unique in many ways I haven't seen.
What's up, y'all? I'm Jack. Let's eat.
I'm Radd. We came to smash poppers and smash it down. Let's go ahead and eat. Come on.
What's up, y'all? I'm 30 Killer Beats and I'm hungry as hell. And I'm with the restaurateurs and we're about to get something to eat. Let's go.
Everyone in SoCal talks about LA and OC food spots. But what if I told you the best food court in Southern California is actually in Riverside? And it's not just a food court, it's a food haven that might have you changing the game on fast food for a minute. Let's go check it out.
So today we're taking out the Riverside Lab that has so many options as far as foods. They got almost anything you need. But today we're gonna check out Smash Poppers. Let's hear a little few words from Jack.
All right, hello, welcome everybody in YouTube land. We're here at Smash Poppers, anime smashburgers. Usually when I come here, I love to get the villain. It's a single all beef patty, pepper jack cheese, jalapenos, crispy onions with chipotle barbecue ranch. But today, I'm kind of feeling the Smash Poppers. I don't feel like eating into a burger per se, but all fries, all beef patty, American cheese, grilled onions with a smash sauce. And I'm gonna add the chipotle barbecue ranch just to tip it off.
Hey, my name's Cash. We're with Smash Papas and we're gonna be making some wings and maybe some burgers today. For this one, it's gonna be for the Smash Papas. This is our meat, has our cheese on it. We're gonna be laying it down on top of our fries right here. We already have our onions down. We're gonna lay that down right on top. And then we still need to put our sauce on it. So, you're gonna come in here. This is our house sauce. Down nice and easy. And there you go. That's the Smash Papas right there. And then for our wings, I already dropped the 5 wings for the other order, but we're gonna drop some new ones, so let's start off with the 10. I believe this business has been around for maybe 2.5 years. I've been working here for about 7 to 8 months. I think after this month, it's gonna be my 8 months. All right, we're gonna start off with the buns. It just has some mayo on it. Throw it down, make sure it gets toasted on that side. We got our patties here already ready, rolled up, seasoned. Just grab one, lay it down on the grill. Smash. Little smash burger right there. For most ordered food, I'd say it's either the Western for our burgers, the villain, or for the fries, like the sides, I'd say the Smash Papas. My favorite food, it's gotta be the wings. It's basic, the wings are wings.
What flavor?
Our OG hot. There's one flavor that I do like a lot. It's gonna be the Western Rooster. It has barbecue sauce and sriracha sauce. I know the owners, Sean and Gloria, they started this company. It's been really, really smooth. That's our pepper jack cheese for the villain. Let's start prepping the bread. For the villain, we have our chipotle barbecue sauce. We have crispy onions. That on top, should spot. And then it comes with jalapenos.
Which anime was this burger inspired by?
This one right here, I believe it's by any villain that you see in anime. It's called the villain, so as long as it's, you know, anyone you choose from, you can find a villain. But most of our burgers are kind of inspired by My Hero Academia, by the way that they've been working out. They have their heroes, their villains, you know, all their little power-ups. But I think any anime that you look at, you can see that they have a little bit of everything. Wrap it up. So we're gonna put them in here. It's a dirty bird, so he's gonna put the buffalo sauce. Go hefty on that. We got our lemon pepper. You can make do without the lemon pepper. All right, then we could top it off with some more lemon pepper. And then it's ready to plate right now.
And which one is this, the Dirty Bird?
Dirty Bird, yeah. That's our OG buffalo sauce and lemon pepper.
It looks amazing.
Extra sauce. Get our samurai sauce. Then we top it off with sesame seeds. There you go. Smash Papas is going to be located here at the Food Lab in downtown Riverside. That's where you can find us. All right, be sure to come on down to Smash Papas.
All right, y'all, so I'm trying out these samurai wings. What is it, the Samurai Jack wings? But as you can see, I already tried it and it's pretty good. That's fire. That's pretty good.
It's your boy J-Radd. I had the villain recommended by my boy Jack next to me. And I also had the Dirty Bird wings. And personally, the Dirty Bird wings were mid. I ain't gonna lie. I felt a little mid. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. I hope Smash Papas doesn't kill me later, but I didn't. They were okay. They weren't the top. They weren't the bottom, but you know they were good enough. They did the job for sure. Other than that, the villain was 10 out of 10 recommend for sure. They had the crispiness of the bun, the butteriness of just everything was just perfect, man. I don't know how else to say it. It was just completely perfect. It had a little crunch to it, and it wasn't too hot at all, which was surprising because it had like giant pieces of jalapeno in it. But my food was superb. I give it 8 out of 10 total.
8 out of 10?
Which is a high rating for me, I feel like.
Okay. What about you, Jack?
So for me, I had the Smash Papas. The burger was grilled nicely. It was very much smashed. It was seasoned very well. I can tell they used more than just your salt and pepper. They actually used good ingredients that you'll get outside your kitchen and cabinet. Also, the fries is absolutely magnificent. I don't know what sauce or condiment was used, but absolutely magnificent. I will give my meal a total 9 out of 10. Solid 9 out of 10. Keep it going.
My wings were pretty good to me. I felt like the Dirty Bird was decent. It was cool. It wasn't exactly what I expected, but the samurai wings were definitely way better than I thought they were.
You know, I did get a chance to try another restaurant while we were at the Food Lab, right? And it was called, I don't know, but what was it called? Balboa. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's like Balboa. It's like a smoothie acai bowl joint. I did get a recommendation from the nice lady behind the counter, and she recommended the peanut butter shake. It was fire, y'all. I don't know. It had pumpkin seeds in it. It was gas. I would actually give that place a 10 out of 10. It's directly next to Smash Papas.
So if you like this style of content, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and also
here at the restaurant tours, we're going to be providing content of us traveling around the California, Los Angeles area, and we're going to be giving food critiques, food tours, and letting you good people know what's good to eat around the IE area.
Yep, and if you're a restaurant nearby or you're in the California area, just let us know. If you want us to check out your restaurant, just email us, the email in the description, and we'll check you out. We'll see what you got.